This out there. This out there. Better find a bolt for that. 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Over the top. Heads up, heads up, heads up. Coming close. Coming by, coming high.
Oh my gosh!
Did we get any damage?
Hardly any. Yeah, looks great.
That was
So crazy. Why you need a big ass TV, because your eyesight's gonna go.
It's fine. Broke a fin, but that's it. Broke it pretty hard too.
Yeah,
just,
it did.
How long do you? I think you just.
All the way.
So the strings are together.
Got it. Okay. Uh-oh. Craig, it doesn't want to go in there. There it goes.
That's what she said. 2, 1.
Awesome.
Nice.
Yeah.
2, 1.
All right, looks good.
Yeah, that's a different type of rock.
2, 1. That's the way we're supposed to do it, folks.
Come on, Josh, catch that.
How many motors in this one?
5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Where is it? I lost it.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Oh, what a bummer.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
We got a damn truck on top of it. Yeah, we did. Launches the shootout. Didn't like.
Oh.
I got the wing for the pin gun, and I said that's the last piece I
All right, maiden voyage. Here we go.
Any switches or they're dead?
No, they're all.
Oh. I'm gonna document Cindy biting me. Yep. Oh.
The customer.